Shape and space circles. In this tutorial, we will be talking about segments and straight lines that are related to circles. To start off, I'm going to talk about the chord. What is a chord? A chord is a line segment with endpoints on the circle. And I'm going to show you on the figure on the right side of the screen. This blue segment is the chord, and as you can see, its endpoints are on the circle. Now, for the diameter, a diameter is a chord that passes through the center. It is basically the same idea as the chord, but it passes through the center of the circle. Now, the secant is a line that intersects the circle in 2 points. It passes inside and then goes outside of the circle. And it crosses at 2 points on the circle itself. And finally, for the final straight line, the tangent. What is the tangent? A tangent is a line that intersects the circle at 1 point only. So, it is similar to the secant but only passing through 1 point and not through 2. So, you can see the orange straight line, which is an example of a tangent.